Dear all, please note how to attend sessional exam under Examly software. I will explain you. You will get an invitation link to your mail like this. You have been enrolled in the course from Oxford Exam 1996 at gmail.com. This is the mail. Here one link will be given for login. How to click this? Then it will ask your user ID and password. Then if you open, you will get the screen like this. This is your page, a student page. In that, this is my course. You have been enrolled in a course under BCom from the PB. It will show here. Under this icon here, you will get the notification for the current exam, subject exam you are going to appear. This 2G is one example here. This is the name of the subject you are going to appear. For example, anatomy, physiology, and health education. This is the subject name. It will be given by the teacher here. It will be there. This is the currently you are going to appear that exam. Here it will show how many questions are there here and the details of the exam. Then you can start the exam here by clicking this. This page will show you the details of the exam you are appearing, how many number of questions, how many sections, what is the duration in which you have to complete this exam, what are the total marks allotted, and how many times you are permitted to attend this exam. It's only one. And this is the name of the exam, total questions, duration, summary here. And you can clicking this button, you can enter into this exam. It will ask you to enable your microphone, your camera. This screen will show you how the exam is going to begin. Actually, in the allotted time only, exactly the exam will begin. At the time only, you should click, and before that, you should keep ready your laptop and all other accessories. Keep ready and sit in front of the system. Exactly at the time, if you click, the exam will begin like this. Now you can see questions in the left side. Explain the occurrence of chemodyms in medicinal plants with example. Direction for the question. Write the answer here, and this is the area in which you are going to type your answers. Here, this is the mark allotted for this question, and this you can see the timing here. So here you will get warning messages. This is a digitally protected test. Tab switching is prohibited. If you switch tabs, your test will end and you will be disqualified like that. So you should not use uh, switch the tab. Tab means this area. From here to here, you cannot refer any other tab and refer any other answer, and copy pasting here as well. Copy pasting also not permitted. You have to type from here. You can type your answers. The plans. While typing, while attending exam, you should not supposed to talk. It will be monitored by the software. Type your answers. See the timing given here for this attending this whole exam. In between, if you want to upload any images for this exam, for this question. This is the upload image icon. You can follow here. Just click this. If you are attending exam in the mobile, through the mobile, you can use mobile camera. Click the image which is drawn. You have to draw at the time only in a separately in one white sheet. You have to draw an image, and then you have to write the date next to that image. Along with the date, you click that image, crop that image, and upload here. You have to preserve that page. End of the exam, you have to scan and send it to the class teacher on the same day after the exam. Then only your answer will be validated. So for example, this is the image you are going to upload. Completed. Then this image along with this text, this image, the answer will be submitted. I can submit once after completing, submit answer. Or if I don't want, I can clear also. I can recorrect, submit answer. So you will get the message here, answer submitted. Next question. Define polyploidy. Describe the techniques and its applications in improving the quality of medicinal plants with examples. This is the question number 2. Here it shows question number 2. Descriptive type question. So it carries 5 marks. There is no negative marks assigned. Here also you can start typing. See the timing here. It is the overall timing for this exam. So it will show you, give you idea how much time you can spend for a question. Slowly, patiently, you start typing your answer. Spend your own time, think and type your answer patiently. Then you can use symbols also here. Symbols, all symbols are given here. You can use this is the icon to upload image. PDF upload is not necessary. You can upload only JPG image, that is click through mobile, or you have to uh, upload image from the system. For that, you have to upload through take a picture, transfer to your system and upload. But better if you can attend through mobile, you can directly click the image and upload here. Then submit this answer. Access answer submitted. Here, if there is any another question, it will show here next. But in this entire exam, there is only 2 questions. In the beginning itself, we have seen that. So now submission is over. I cannot use back tab. It is not permitted. But I can see the previous questions, whatever I answered. After that, once you are satisfied, you can submit the test, or you can wait up to the finish of the whole timing assigned for this exam. I completed all my answering for it, so I can submit through this button, submit test. Here there is a message. Are you sure you want to submit this test? To confirm, type END end in the input box below and then click yes. So I type END. So confirm here. Test submitted successfully. You will be redirected now. So like this, you can submit your answers.